Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sticky headers with CSS for improved site usability, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate sticky headers with CSS, start by selecting the header element in your HTML. This can be achieved with a simple class or ID selector. Once you have your element selected, move on to the CSS file where you will add styles. First, set the position property of your header to sticky. You can do this by writing position, sticky. Next, define the top position where you want the header to stick. For most cases, this will be top 0. Now, add a background color to your header for better visibility. Using background color, white, or any other contrasting color works well. A good starting point is z-index 1000. To enhance usability, apply a box shadow for a subtle depth effect. You can use box shadow 02px 5px raba 0.1. This helps distinguish the header from the content below. Make sure to test the sticky header on various screen sizes. Adjust the styles if necessary to maintain a responsive design. Finally, review your website to ensure the sticky header behaves as expected. Congratulations, you now have an improved site usability feature with a sticky header. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.